It may allow you to have increased range of motion, increased ability to move, but the best surgery is the surgery you can avoid. In very severe cases, joint replacements are necessary, and medicine has evolved to a point where that's now available. The important thing for you to understand that putting a new joint in your body, whether it's a knee or a hip, as wonderful as it may be, has serious possible side effects, serious possible complications, and is never as good as the joint you came to this earth with. It's helpful. It may allow you to have increased range of motion, increased ability to move, increased ability to do sports, but the best surgery is the surgery you can avoid. But in cases in where it is necessary, it's a wonderful, wonderful thing to have done. The most important thing about joint replacement surgery that I need to emphasize is that you need to make sure that you have, for example, your leg lengths checked prior to surgery and after surgery. One of the greatest complications of joint replacement surgery invariably is creating greater inequality of leg lengths than before the surgery, and that's why it's so important. So make sure you check your leg lengths before and after.